Hi everyone, today's lesson is about vocabulary that related to computer science. So first, let's start with the binary system. The binary system is a system of numbering that use only two digits, number 0 and number 1. Everything in the computer is represented using this system. For example, a computer might use this number of binary system to represent the letter N in binary. Next, we're going to have the hexadecimal system. On the other hand, this system is the numbering that uses 16 digits from 0 to 9 and from A to F. Hexadecimal system is often used to represent binary data in a more human-readable format. For example, this binary number is pretty long, so it will be represented as 2E in hexadecimal system. Next to hexadecimal, we have binary bit. It's the smallest unit of data in a computer. It can only have two possible values, 0 and 1. A group of 8 bits called a byte and a group of 4 bits called a nibble. Now let's talk about hypertext markup language, or HTML. HTML is the standard language used to create a web page to use series of tags to define how the text and other media are displayed on the web page. For example, I have the tag P. Is a tag used to define paragraph, and the tag I and G is a tag to represent an insert image. Next to it, we have Media Asset Control, or MAC. This is a unique identifier to assign a Network Interface Controller, or NIC, to use a network address in communication with another network. MAC address is a 48-bit address, usually represented as 12 hexadecimal digits. Speaking of NIC, Network Interface Card, is a hardware component that enables computer to connect to a network. It serves as an interface between computer and network as a cable or wireless network. To continue the lesson, we also have the American Standard Code for Information Interchange, or ASCII. Here is an example of that table. A character encoding standard that assigns unique numbers to each letter, digit, and symbol, or on a keyboard. This allows the computer to store and display text in a standard way. Another definition that I want to mention here is a Uniform Resource Locator, or URL. It's a web address to locate a specific web page or resource on the internet. It consists of several parts, including the protocol, or HTTP or HTTPS, the domain name, and the path of the resource. Next to it, we also have the assembly code. This is a low-level programming language that is easier to read and write than machine code. It uses human-readable mnemonic to represent the instructions that are executed by a computer processor. And finally, we have machine code, which is the lowest level of programming language. It consists of binary instructions that are executed directly by the computer or processor. Machine code is hard to read and write. It usually generated by a compiler or a higher level language. In summary, we have introduced you 10 important terms in computer science. These terms are fundamental to the field of computer science, and they will be useful for you to continue your study. Thank you.